Welcome to another trade breakdown video. My name is Raymond Schalker from Fortune Capital Traders, and I'm going to talk to you about this gold trade that I took yesterday. Well, why did I take that trade? First, we are very bearish on gold, all right? Let's dive into the charts so I can show you guys. We are bearish on gold since these two daily candles have been bearish. So we were trying to short it here, over here as well, over here as well. And every opportunity we got, right, we wanted to short it. We didn't get that much opportunities on gold, to be honest, the last couple of weeks. So when I saw this setup, I was like, yes, I need to take that. So let's go. Normally, I will start like on a daily, right, and build my way down to the 30 or the 50 minute. For now, I will skip that phase. If you want to have your higher time to lower time frame analysis, you can just join the Discord so you can check that out. But for now, let's go to the 30 minute, right? On the 30 minute is the time frame where I draw my zones, and then I'm checking up on the 50 minute to see if they all add up. So these were the zones at that time, okay? So when we recognize here in the morning, I come to the chart at 8 o'clock, you see that we are moving up here. Boom, we're trying to move up. I won't buy from support here because I was bearish, right? So I want to see sells on gold. So what I did was I waited for this type of play to play out, right? This type of movement to play out, see if we can get up to this area. And I put this kind of area on, resistance to form, because I wanted resistance to form in this area to look for shorts, okay? Or breaks below these levels for shorts. Well, these did not happen, right? We moved up, and this is at 9:30. Yes, 9:30 is where I took the trade. I looked at the 50 minute as well to see where the resistance is exactly, right? We had some support here, it broke, we retested this, it is resistance at the moment. So boom, we did a nice retracement, we respected this range. Now we cut up and we see the rejection right here. So resistance to form, rejection candle at the moment at 50 minutes, and on the 30 minute, there's also a rejection in the form of a weak bullish candle. Because my bias was so bearish and I really wanted to short it, that's why I got into the short position. Because if you're a little bit mixed or maybe a little bullish as well, it's hard to short from this area, right? Same as I was too bearish in the morning to buy right here because I was just too biased at the time. So I went on the 50 minute and I saw this opportunity. I was like, okay, this one closes back below, the 30 minute closed below as well. Let's just put this position on. So I wanted to get in on the break of that low. Boom. And actually I took profits at like 50 pips as I closed it in total. But what I want to see first was this low being taken out. So what I liked about this a lot is that we wicked up, we retested this type of area, right, of resistance. We moved down, broke the low. And what I really liked was that we could manage our risk. Let's say right here. Like if price comes above that line, right, I could have managed my risk for at least 50% of the position. So if it gone over there, right, I would have closed at least 50% of my position with like a few pips. So let's say that I close around 0.10, maybe 0.08% or something in a loss, and I leave the rest to run. So my total loss would be maximum 0.6% with slippage and all that and spread. So that would be a really good risk management opportunity for me. Fortunately, it did not come there and just fell off, gave me a nice risk to reward as well. But I felt like the stop loss was a little too big over here, not according to my rules, because normally I would use 1-to-1 at least. So I closed a little partial at 20 pips, then closed another partial at the 1-to-1, and then closed in full at 50 pips for a nice 1% gain. So still made my 1% gain, could have been a lot more, so it cost me a lot of some dollars, right? It is what it is. I know that, and I will learn from that, and maybe the next time I should use another SL. But in the end, the analysis played out, the trade worked out as a charm. We had some news in the afternoon as well, so I'm happy that I just took my profits right here. Next time I could maybe trade it to the next zone, who knows? But 50 pips for me is like a really, really nice return on my investment, okay? So I hope you guys learned something from this trade breakdown and why I was so confident to take this trade. And if there are any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. And you want to know how to do this, just join the Discord. There's a lot of free education in there as well. And if you're really serious about your trading journey, you can level up, join the premium, and you have a lot of education to go through. And you can trade with me every day on the London session. All right. Thank you for your attention, guys. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao.